Hello.
Hello, good
Hi,
morning.
yeah, good to see you again.
Hi.
Yeah, how
Yeah,
have you been?
yeah, I've been great, sir. Thanks. How about you?
Yeah, I'm doing all right. Thank you so much. And I'm not sure when was the last time we met. Was it about 1 or 2 months ago?
No,
How long was it?
I think 1 month ago, maybe.
1 month ago. How are you feeling today?
Oh, yes, today I'm feeling well. Before I have like today, before this session, I had session with tutor, and after that, now I have session with you.
Okay, so you are having back-to-back sessions today.
Yeah, back to back. Yeah.
What did you talk about in your previous class?
Really, it's a very amazing topic. Not means how a learner should be.
Mhm.
Learner should be like a eagle,
Like,
eagle, like
like
an
an,
eagle.
like an eagle.
Eagle. There are few seven qualities of eagle.
Uh-huh.
So every learner should be, and like if that seven qualities will be there, so definitely we can achieve our given target.
That's great. But I can
Yeah.
see that you have come a long way, a very long way, and you have become really, really natural with your speech. Right? It's not that earlier you were not fluent, you were fluent back then as well, but now I think you have become more refined as a speaker. So
Mm-hmm.
that's maybe pronunciation is one aspect, of course.
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
we can definitely keep on improving. But once again, the sir and sure sound, I don't think that it's a major problem, but you can keep on practicing, of course.
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Okay. I also had the same problem. I think I might have shared this story with you. I also had the
No, no,
same
you
problem.
didn't. No, no,
No?
no, you didn't hear. Yeah.
Okay. Now, if I go back 5 years ago, when I first started out as an English tutor without experience, nothing. I was
Mm-hmm.
nobody back then, right?
Mm-hmm.
Uh, but my responsibility was to teach English to at least beginner level learners, right?
Okay.
So I was just starting out. But my former boss, he told me that Pritham, you speak English well, but your pronunciation is not right.
Mm-hmm.
You don't know the difference between the s and sh sound. And when
Mm-hmm.
I actually tried to test it out, then yes, it was a problem. I couldn't pronounce the word English. English. I used to say English. English.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, oh my god, so that was a serious problem. So I figured out, what I have to do, what I had to do back then. So I went over all the tongue twisters and all the pronunciation practice that
Mm-hmm.
had to do with sir and sure sound. I focused on the mouth structure, what should be the placement of your tongue, your shape
Mm-hmm.
of your mouth, your lips. I tried to figure all that out, and I kept on practicing deliberately. It took me about 1 to 2 months or 3 months to finally have this mastery over these sounds. And today still I struggle. So sometimes I
Mm-hmm.
think, okay, it's sure and sir and sure. So some tongue twisters I would do 100 times a day.
Mm-hmm.
You remember this famous tongue twister? She sells seashells by the seashore.
Yes, yes. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
I used to do it very slowly and gradually. I sped up.
Okay.
Right.
Mm.
So that is something I would recommend it to you as well. It's not a major problem, but if you do it, you will only refine your
Yes, yes.
pronunciation.
Yeah, yeah. Sure, sure. Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Any questions that you have for me?
Question.
Yeah.
Okay, let's discuss. I have written few proverbs, so let's discuss that.
Sure.
And first is
Yeah.
a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step.
Yeah. Of course, 100% true.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to at least start somewhere, isn't it?
Yes.
What this? What does this proverb mean?
Yes, a journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. As this means that if we have to go thousands of miles, so
Mhm.
definitely we will have to take the first step. And I can say that if we have given any target for ourselves, so definitely it's very important, it's very crucial to take the first step. Whenever we will not take our first step, we can't means cover or we can't reach towards our given target, whatever field it may be. Like you can say that if you have a short goal or long goal. whatever goal you have decided, it's very important to take the first step. If I say like for learning this language, you just thinking for a longer period. But whenever you will not take your first step, so you will not learn how to speak, how to communicate. Taking first step is very important. As a child, learn how to walk, how to stand. He stumbles and falls many times. After that, he learns how to walk. In the same way, taking first step is very important in our life.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Can you give me your own personal example? How did you start this journey of learning this language? What was your first step?
Yes, I can say that as I have decided to learn and to speak this language, and I was thinking since my childhood, I can say, or when I was in graduation, but I didn't take my first step. Because of that reason, I was not able to. Still, otherwise, I maybe I would be a fluent speaker. But as I have not taken my first step, and was just thinking about that. Yes, I want to be a fluent speaker. So, as 2 years ago, when I have decided now, it's time to take my first step towards my journey. So that first step can reach me towards my goal. And my goal is to get fluency as well as proficiency in this language. Yeah.
Hmm. Okay. What were some challenges that you initially faced when you first started out?
The challenges I have faced a number of challenges because when I started my journey, I didn't aware
I was not aware.
I was not aware where I get uh, where I get partner to communicate. Even I was not familiar with any application. But when I was when one day when I came across when I was just scrolling my mobile and saw one communication video, then I mm, just mailed one YouTuber, and within half an hour she replied me. And after that, I got to know about that application and means my challenges. So, first time when I had conversation, I was really fumbled a lot and feared. And my first conversation was video call,
Hmm.
and it was really very challenging for me to face one-to-one conversation. But as I accepted my challenge, and so day by day, when I connected with many learners in a day, so I got confidence and my fear, hesitation all removed. Now I can speak anyone with confidence. Yes, I do mistakes. I know that, but I know that mistakes is a part of this journey. Yeah.
Hmm. Have you ever felt dejected in this journey that you almost gave up, that you grew a lot? You grew a lot of, what do you call that? You had a lot of frustration about this. Yeah, you grew frustrated. Has it ever happened?
Yes, it happened me many times.
It happened to me many
Yes,
times.
it happened to me many times. But as I am a self motivated person, so what I did, I just sit calm, close my eyes and focus my breath, and in this way, I just gather strength to start my journey again.
Mm, okay,
You
all
get
right. Mm.
graduation. Oh,
I just
mhm.
want you to pronounce these words actually. Okay.
Yeah,
Uh,
communication, graduation.
where is the stress?
Huh?
Where is the stress? First, let's look at the
Um,
first word. Where is the
commu-
stress?
communication.
Yes,
Correct.
communication.
Communication.
हाँ?
Communication.
लेकिन
Communication.
आपका क्या होता है? आपका होता है communication.
Hmm.
Yeah. Yeah.
Hmm.
Are actually some nuances that you really need to work upon to sound
Hmm.
natural and fluent. English is
Mm-hmm.
all about rhythm, the melody, the stress, right?
Yeah.
Communication. Can you say that? Repeat the shadow.
Communication.
Very good.
Communication.
Ah,
Communication.
yes. Can you,
Communication.
can you make
Graduation.
can you make an example sentence now? Communication.
Yes. To get fluency, we should communicate. We should
Communicate, not
communicate.
communicate.
Okay.
Communicate.
Communication is very important for getting fluency.
Yes. Okay. Can you use this word as a verb now? Communicate.
Communicate. Yes.
Ah.
Communicate with different people is very important.
Hmm.
Communicate. Communicate.
Communicate. Communicating with different people is very important.
Communicate. Communicate. Yes.
Communicate. Okay. Let's.
Mm.
And in your free time, try to note these words down and just paste it on Google. You can look up these words and focus on the stress. Where is the
Mhm.
stress point? Right? Listen
Mhm.
to it again and again and copy the same sound. That's it. That's it.
Okay.
Next word. How do you pronounce this word?
Graduation.
Ah, graduation. Very good.
Correct?
Correct.
Graduation.
Graduation. कभी कभी ग्रे हो
Graduation.
रहा है ग्रेजुएशन हो रहा है ना कभी कभी.
Graduation.
So that's why graduation. Perfect.
Mhm.
Uh, next expression over here. Is it focus on my breathe or focus on my breath?
Breath. Breath.
Ah,
Breath.
yes, not breathe. Huh?
I told breathe.
Ah, yes. Okay, no problem. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
good job. Good job. Hmm. All right. But yeah, you're speaking well in terms of your ideas that's coming out. It's no complaints. Just
Mhm.
pronunciation. I have a little bit of reservation on your pronunciation. That's it. Okay.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. And what about my sentence structure?
Sentence
For
structure is yeah, it's good. Maybe
only.
once only a few areas on some areas I think I noticed some grammatical mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Like I didn't aware, I
Okay.
wasn't aware. No? It should be I
Mm-hmm.
wasn't
Yes.
aware.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
So these kind of things. I think if we can polish this up as well, and
Mm.
we will not give any reasons to
Nowadays,
it.
what? Yeah.
Yeah. What you can do is, let's say if it's a stubborn grammar mistake, okay, you make it all the time.
Mm-hmm.
In every session, you end up making one or two mistakes. You
Mm-hmm.
focus on the correct sentence. Let's say instead of saying I didn't aware, it should be I wasn't aware, right? So you
Mm-hmm.
just use this expression, I wasn't aware. I wasn't aware of my mistakes. Oh, I wasn't
Mm-hmm.
aware of the plan. Now make at least 5-10 sentences so that you are feeding your brain the correct sentence.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So in the future, even if you say I didn't aware, you are immediately correcting yourself.
I was
Right?
not aware.
Yeah. Make the same sentence in the present as well. I am not aware. I am not
Mm-hmm.
aware. He was not aware. He is not aware. She is not aware. Right?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Uh,
Yeah.
it's all about training your mind. That's it. English you know already
Yes. Yes.
on board. Yeah, in the session.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Yes.
What are your plans today after this?
After this, I will cook. Well, I will prepare lunch.
Hmm.
Yes, because my daughter will come around 1 or 1:15. Yes. So there are many works are there I will have to do because I have to back-to-back session. So and before that session, I was practicing like few words, few
Hmm.
sentences and idiom.
Hmm.
I was practicing, and because after that session, I will do all the household chores which are
Okay.
pending now.
Right. I
Yeah.
really appreciate your dedication, by the way. Thanks for being so consistent.
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Nowadays, really, I am practicing very hard, but still, when tutors told me that even still you have doing you are making these types of mistakes, so sometimes really I demotivated.
If I were you, okay, I would focus more on my shadowing, on my pronunciation. If you focus
Okay.
80% of your time in improving your pronunciation, right,
Uh-huh.
all of your problems will have been solved.
Okay.
Yes, I'm pretty sure it's a game changer. Just focus on this easy delivery, this flow of your words, correct stress of words, right? Pronunciation,
Uh-huh.
shadowing.
Means
I would,
shadowing practice. You are telling that shadowing practice will work for me. Yeah.
Perfect. Yes. All kinds of practice are going on pretty well. Yeah. Let's focus on pronunciation because this vocabulary, you never finish learning.
Hmm.
You keep on learning vocabulary every day. Develop your understanding of those vocabulary, but to be able to use it, it's still a challenge. So that's
Hmm.
why.
Yes.
So learning as many words as possible is not the main goal. Right? Using those
Hmm.
words is the main goal. So that's why
Yes. Yes.
focus on the quality as opposed to quantity. Right? So let's do that.
Hmm.
I don't want to undermine anybody's teaching style, but you know
Yes.
what's best for you, right? You
Yes.
figure that out and you
Exactly.
go with what works, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. Yes.
So I think I have to be there for my next session right away, but we'll keep it till here. And once again, thank you so much for joining me.
Yeah. Yes. Yes. Thank
Okay.
you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
I hope to see you again. Please take care.
Yeah. Yeah.
All
Sure.
right.
Sure. Sure. Yeah.